Hey, Austin.
Yeah.
Who's Tony?
Oh, I don't know, but you want to see what's going on with this?
What's going on?
So, Garrett's been working on the back end. What have you been doing?
I've been clearing all this sound deadening out and took the measurements for the back sheet metal that we're going to patch all this stuff with. John's been gracious enough to help me on this part, and because we don't know where Tony is. He's just not here.
Yeah,
so we're kind of just...
What do you mean you don't know where he is?
Don't know.
He's just not here.
We showed up and normally he's here and he's not
We
here.
were a little
so.
late. Al, have you seen
Al,
Tony?
you know where Tony
I got
is?
here early this morning and the door was unlocked. I don't know where, I haven't seen him.
Oh, well. Anyway, we're supposed to go to the storage unit later and get a piece of roof to fill in this hole in the back.
Yep.
John, have you seen Tony?
No?
What have you been doing?
Oh, I was helping Garrett with all this stuff.
Oh,
Just getting all the seam sealer, all this prep work done, you know, getting all this stuff out of here.
yeah, because we're gonna
Because
line
it's
it up.
in the way. And also disgusting.
Well,
So,
Yeah.
Al,
yeah.
Al,
Yes.
what have you been tackling this morning?
Oh, finishing up on some welding. Put the inner fender panels in, getting ready to weld those in place. We're going to start cutting for the nose on this. Test pitted the rear end to see if we're okay with the spring height. Or the drag height we're going to put on it. We got Ethan on the other side working, finishing up some patch panels. Got ready to get that buttoned up.
Yeah, I don't know. See what it was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And just try and get some finishing touches on this thing so we can move forward with it.
Well, did you
How
see?
you doing on your crane?
Oh, I got that nice and polished up. But did you see our beautiful paint job over here?
Yeah, I saw that.
John and I came over the week and shot this thing with 5 coats of sublime green paint. And we peeled all the tape off this morning, masking it up and cleaned up the rust, and she's ready to be assembled. So,
It came out great.
yeah, by the end of the day, this short block's going together. We got the crank over there, and I've been polishing that up, but we got a bit of a late start, so we're going to be fixing this up today.
And you got the new pistons on the rods
Yeah.
and ready to go?
Shacklet did the pistons, so we got beautiful pistons on here. They're numbered for each cylinder. Just need a set of rings, clean up the rods for us, so they're ready to go together. And then outside of that, we've been polishing up this crank over here. And she's coming along pretty good. She's pretty clean. I don't know, it's the first polishing job I've ever done, but what would you say that looks like?
It looks pretty good.
Yeah. We got it all mic'd up and everything checks out. Just cleaning it up and getting it ready to put in today.
So you're going to put this in today and try to get your pistons in today as well?
Yeah, lower end's going together today.
Good.
So-
I really wish I knew where Tony was at because I was supposed to help him with the boat this morning.
Yeah, I don't.
And
Have you seen him?
no, I haven't.
Garrett, have you seen Tony?
I'm not. Last time I seen him was like...
What is that?
What
What's
was-
that knob? What was that?
This is great B-roll, but like, really, where is he? We gotta shoot.
I don't know. What's that knocking going
I don't
on?
know. It came this direction though.
What? I mean, I'm not the only one hearing that, right?
No, I heard it too.
What?
Sounded like it was coming from one of the cars.
Oh,
Oh God.
oh, we found him.
Jesus.
Gordon, what are you doing?
I didn't do nothing. This is not mine.
This is not yours.
I didn't do this.
What did you do before I got here?
What are you doing? Sleeping on the job?
Why are you in a trunk?
You'll do anything to take my place, won't you?
I did not do this at all. I had nothing to do with this. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? I had
Get me out of
nothing to
here.
do with
I'm
this.
starting to see a pattern here, Puddy.
Why would you do that to
Why would you do that, Tony?
Why are everybody looking at me? I didn't do it. I had nothing to do with this at all.
All right, don't worry about it.
not-
It's
not-
not important. It's not important. All right, so what are we doing? We're filming?
Yeah.
Okay. So how far did we get?
We just went over all the stuff.
All the stuff. So
Yeah.
there's nothing for me to do.
No.
You did all my work for me.
Essentially, yes.
Again.
Does I smell chloroform?
No.
I don't know, but we are
Where did you
missing.
get chloroform
But we are
from?
missing a can of PD Blaster,
Who are you?
You gotta order that stuff from the Chinese research labs.
bro. How
I
could
didn't-
you?
I did none of this.
All right. Well, it doesn't matter how I got there. We did a good video.
Sure.
Okay. So that's it. All right. Well, you're gonna at least see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. You want to get back in the trunk?
Yeah.
Okay.